Imagine living in a world in which you have 100 trillion friends that exist totally to make your life awesome. They are completely focused on you, and because of that, they affect every aspect of your life. They help determine what kind of mood you're in from day to day and whether or not you're overweight. They also decide what you're allergic to and whether or not you get certain types of cancer. These friends can give you nutrients that you need when you're missing them. These friends can also help you fight infections and prevent you from getting colds. I want you to know this world exists. It's called your microbiome. I'm Dr. Katrina Coulter. I'm an infectious disease physician, and I'm making educational health videos about the microbiome. I'm making a whole series because I want people to understand why their microbiome is so important and why they should take such good care of it. The microbiome is a really hot topic in health and science right now, so you may have heard of it. So what it is these 100 trillion bacteria, viruses, and fungi and their DNA that exist on us and inside of us, lining our intestines and digestive tract all the way from mouth to anus. We are finding that the microbiome plays a role in a variety of disease and health conditions. We have linked the microbiome to diseases such as diabetes, certain types of cancers, autoimmune diseases, allergies, mood, and immune system health. The microbiome is also sometimes called the second brain because there is a gut-brain connection in which many of the neurotransmitters that make us feel good are actually produced in the GI tract. So we often call this the second brain or the enteric nervous system. So these bacteria, fungi, and viruses exist in a symbiotic relationship with us. Symbiosis means mutually beneficial. So if we didn't exist, the microbiome wouldn't exist. We cannot live without these critters that are inside of us and covering us. So they're very important, and I want everyone to think of them as their friendly crew because it is to their benefit that we are healthy and we live long lives. So the really cool thing about the microbiome is that it is dynamic. You can change it. By changing your diet, within days, we start to see growth of different types of bacteria in the microbiome. So it is evolving over time. Unlike your genetics, which are handed down to you from your parents and you do not have any influence over, you can influence this aspect of your health. And that in turn will affect all the rest of your health. So the microbiome is very exciting to me. So how do we take care of this awesome microbiome that we've all been blessed with and we've been growing and developing since birth? The big picture is bacteria follow food, and a lot of what we're putting in our mouths is really changing our microbiome. There's a lot of things that we can do to help nourish it, but there's also several things that you may be doing right now that are detrimental to it. We know that the more diverse it is, the healthier we are. And we are finding that people are losing diversity in their microbiome. As a species, we are losing diversity. And I postulate that this has everything to do with our food systems. There are also other factors such as antibiotics and other medications, as well as some lifestyle choices. Did you know that regular exercise promotes diversity within your microbiome? It does. Sleep also affects our microbiome. That's the purpose of this series of videos, to go into depth on each of the topics of things that can help and things that can harm the microbiome. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because I have a whole series of videos coming out about this topic. And so please subscribe, like, ring the bell so you know when these videos are coming out and you don't miss anything.